Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to clone multiple Jira issues at once, saving you time when you need to duplicate work items in bulk. First, go ahead and choose which issues you'd like to clone. You can select multiple issues at once to save time. Once you've selected your issues, click the ellipsis icon here to open up the Issue Settings menu. From the menu that appears, select the Clone option. Here's where you customize what gets copied over. Select the checkboxes for any elements you want included in your cloned issues, like attachments, comments, or subtasks. When you're happy with your selections, click the Clone button to create your duplicates. And there you have it! Your issues have been cloned successfully, and you're all set. Thanks for following along. You now know how to efficiently clone multiple issues in Jira. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.